If you've ever felt overstimulated, emotionally heavy, or like your body is tense when you're resting, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Nicole, and welcome to Harmonizing the Self, Reiki Foundations. In this series, I'll teach Reiki in a simple, grounded way so you can understand what it is, what it isn't, and how people actually use it in everyday life. Quick note before we begin. Reiki is a complementary wellness practice. It's not a replacement for medical care, therapy, or professional treatment. Think of it as support, something that may help your nervous system, your emotions, and your overall sense of balance. So, what is Reiki? Reiki is a gentle practice where a practitioner places their hands just above the body with the intention of supporting the body's natural relaxation and healing response. Some people describe it as warmth, calm, tingling, emotional release, or simply feeling lighter. Other people feel very subtle effects, like a quiet peace. And both experiences are completely normal. Today's episode is an overview. I'm going to walk you through what I call the 10 core pillars of Reiki, 10 of the most commonly reported benefits of Reiki that keep people coming back for more. And then in the next episodes, we'll go deeper, one pillar at a time, with practical tips you can try at home. Let's begin. Pillar 1. Deep relaxation and stress reduction. This is the most common benefit people notice. During Reiki, many people shift out of fight or flight and into rest and digest. This can look like slower breathing, unclenching the jaw, softer shoulders, and a calmer mind. Sometimes you don't even realize how tense you were until your body lets go. Pillar 2. Support for pain and physical discomfort. Reiki is often used alongside other care to help people feel more comfortable in their bodies. Some people report less tension, less inflammation, less discomfort, and an easier time resting. I always tell people, the goal is not to force the body to change. The goal is to create conditions where the body can soften and respond. Pillar 3. Support for the body's natural healing process. Many Reiki clients use sessions during recovery seasons, after stress, after illness, during burnout, or during major life transitions. Reiki is not about fixing you. It's about helping your system return to balance so your body can do what it already knows how to do. Pillar 4. Nervous system regulation. This pillar is huge. When your nervous system is overloaded, everything feels harder. Focus, patience, sleep, digestion, even motivation. Many people use Reiki because it helps them feel grounded, present, and less reactive. Pillar 5. Emotional and mental balance. Reiki is often described as emotional clearing, not because it erases emotions, but because it gives you space to feel without drowning. Some people feel a release of sadness. Some people feel peace after anxiety. Some simply feel like their mind finally slowed down. Pillar 6. Complementary support alongside medical care. Reiki is non-invasive and commonly used as a supportive practice especially during stressful seasons of life. If you're going through something medically, Reiki can be one layer of comfort and calm while you continue following your care plan. Pillar 7, improved sleep and reduced fatigue. Because Reiki can calm the nervous system, many people notice better sleep after sessions. Sometimes it's falling asleep easier, sometimes it's deeper sleep, sometimes it's waking up with less heavy exhaustion. If you're tired all the time, your body may not just need sleep, it may need safety. Pillar 8, support for heart-centered calm, like slower breathing and a quieter body. Some studies have explored whether Reiki can influence stress-related body signals like heart rate and blood pressure. Results are mixed, but many people personally report feeling more settled and steady afterward. Whether you call it energy or relaxation, the lived experience for many is, I feel calmer in my body. Pillar 9, spiritual growth, intuition, and connection. This pillar is personal. Some people come to Reiki for stress relief and then discover something deeper. Clarity, inner guidance, a sense of being connected to life again. You don't have to be religious. You don't have to believe anything specific. But many people describe Reiki as helping them remember who they are beneath the noise. And Pillar 10, detox, or what I prefer to call release and recalibration. You might hear people say, Reiki helps you detox. What I mean in a grounded way is, after deep relaxation, your body may naturally release what it's been holding. Tension, emotions, stress patterns. Some people feel thirsty, sleepy, or emotionally tender afterward. That's why we recommend water, rest, and gentleness after sessions. So those are the 10 core pillars: relaxation, comfort, recovery support, nervous system regulation, emotional balance, complementary support, sleep, body calm, spiritual clarity, and release. Now here's the most important question. Which pillar do you need most right now? Tell us in the comments. Type the number 1 through 10 and the word that matches what you're calling in. For example, 1, relaxation, or 7, sleep. And if you're new here, subscribe, because in the next episode, we're going deeper into Pillar 1, stress relief. I'll explain what to expect in a Reiki session, what you might feel, and I'll share a short, calming mini practice you can do in under 2 minutes. Until then, breathe, soften your shoulders, and remember, peace is not something you chase, it's something you practice. And until next time, we wish you peace, love, and light. If this helped you feel calmer, hit subscribe. Episode 2 is all about stress relief and what to expect in a Reiki session. Want support now? Use the links below to book a virtual Reiki session or join a class. Drop your number in the comments, 1 through 10, and I'll tell you where to start.